Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm an applications engineer at MSP. Obviously the last couple of months have been a little bit different for us on the application team, where we're used to being out on site with the customers. We've had to get used to working from home a lot more. That being said, we've still been keeping plenty busy, supporting a lot of our customers remotely. We've been helping quite a few customers with programming, creating new part programs to improve their processes and streamline everything, improve their production. We've also been supporting any existing customers with any queries they may have, any benchmark support, any part programming questions that they've got. It's been an excellent opportunity to do a lot of testing, and we've been testing a lot of great new features that are coming shortly in NC Perfect Part. Just as an example of some of the work we've been doing, we've been working with a customer down near Birmingham that are producing military parts, so obviously it's been less affected by all the lockdown. As part of their process, we've been working to automate the part setup a lot. So we probe the part, set it, get that set up, and then generate an alignment with perfect part, and add in the alignments to the machining programs. The process itself had been quite manual before for that. Those parts, they've been having to stop a lot of in-process inspection, taking the part off, putting it back on the machine. So using Perfect Part, they've been able to speed all that up, do all the part setup on the machine, and there's a lot less manual program changes halfway through to deal with any part chain differences. Obviously these are titanium forgings, so there's a bit of variation between each one on a part-to-part basis. As part of that, they're saving a lot of time. They're able to reduce the downtime, the waiting time, and it's generally improved the process for them a lot. All of this we've done remotely. Another customer that we've been supporting is over in Ireland, who are producing a brand new part to them, and we've been writing a lot of their probing programs for them because they don't have the capabilities in-house to create them, and not the experience or not know-how to create them either for Perfect Part. So one of the services that we've offered is to write the programs. These are full inspection programs for the part, for the first offs, and also for in-process checking of any features that they might want to check. This means they've obviously being able to produce their new parts in lockdown with all the restrictions on travel.